Do you want to know how you can disconnect your social account which you have registered to with on your Wise account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can disconnect your social accounts which you have connected to Wise. So let's go ahead and start the video. The first step is to open wise.com on your browser. Now, what you need to do is log into your account. After you have successfully logged into your account, you will see this type of interface. Go ahead and click on your profile, which is over here, and click on Settings. Then you can see Connected Accounts. Tap on it, scroll a bit down, and you can see your social account. To disconnect it, you can click on Disconnect. After doing this, you will not be able to log into your Wise account using Google. If you want to continue this, just go ahead and click Disconnect. So, you will need to use your email address and a password to log in the next time you use Wise. If you haven't already set up a password, you can initiate this process now. So, if you have already set up a password, you can click on I've set a password. But if you don't have a password yet, go ahead and click Reset Password. So, as I have already set a password, I'll click on I've set a password. In a while, you can see that you have successfully disconnected your social account with your Wise account. I hope this video about how you can disconnect your social account on Wise was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.